Have you ever gazed at the moon, that celestial pearl hanging in the inky blackness, and, lost in its ethereal glow, wondered what it would be like to actually live there, to call that stark, beautiful landscape home? That dream, once relegated to the realm of science fiction, is closer to reality than ever before. We're not just talking about a quick visit, a flag planting and a few footprints. Scientists and engineers across the globe are meticulously planning a permanent lunar base, a sustained human presence on our nearest celestial neighbor. A place where people can live, conduct groundbreaking research, and work for months, even years at a time. Imagine waking up, not to the familiar sounds of Earth, but to the quiet hum of life support systems, putting on your spacesuit, a ritual of survival, and stepping onto the moon's gray, dusty surface, a landscape both alien and strangely familiar. With Earth, a vibrant blue marble shining in the perpetual black sky above, a constant reminder of home. Space agencies like NASA, along with international partners, are designing advanced habitats, shielded from radiation and micrometeoroids, versatile rovers, capable of traversing the challenging lunar terrain, and closed-loop life support systems, designed to recycle air and water, minimizing the need for resupply from Earth. All to make this ambitious vision a tangible reality. Every challenge, from the extreme temperatures to the lack of atmosphere, like building homes without air or readily available water, pushes us to invent new solutions, to innovate in ways we never thought possible. And these innovations often have unexpected benefits, technologies that could help us address challenges right here on Earth too. But why go through all this trouble, expend so much effort and resources? A moon base would be a scientific playground, a unique environment for conducting experiments in low gravity and studying the lunar environment. It would also serve as a crucial training ground for future missions to Mars, allowing us to test technologies and procedures in a challenging but relatively accessible environment. And the moon holds valuable resources, rare minerals and elements that could be essential for future space exploration and even industries back on Earth. The journey to a lunar outpost is the ultimate science experiment, a grand challenge that will push the boundaries of human knowledge and ingenuity, requiring immense creativity, seamless teamwork, across nations and disciplines, and bold, innovative ideas that challenge the status quo. Living on the moon is about pushing boundaries, venturing beyond our comfort zone, and securing a future for humanity beyond Earth. A future where we are a multi-planetary species. It's about exploration, venturing into the unknown, discovery, unlocking the secrets of the moon and the universe beyond, and the endless curiosity that drives us to look up at the stars and wonder, to ask what if, and why not. The next giant leap for humanity, a permanent return to the moon, is happening sooner than you think, and it promises to be an adventure unlike any other. Why the moon? It's our closest neighbor, just a 3-day trip away, making it the perfect place to practice living off-world. If something goes wrong, help is only days away, unlike the months it takes to reach Mars. The moon is a time capsule, preserving the history of our solar system in its ancient rocks and craters. A base there lets us study this history up close and could revolutionize astronomy with telescopes on its far side, free from Earth's interference. The moon also has resources. Water ice in shadowed craters can be turned into drinking water, breathable oxygen, and even rocket fuel. Using lunar water could turn the moon into a cosmic gas station for deeper space missions. Its unique environment offers a clear, dark view of the universe, perfect for groundbreaking discoveries. The moon is our stepping stone to the stars. That's why it's the next frontier. Living on the moon presents a unique set of challenges, pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity and technological capability. It means solving some tough survival challenges, unlike anything we've faced on Earth. We need to rethink how we approach basic necessities. First, and perhaps most critically, there's no air. The lunar environment is a vacuum, so habitats must be airtight, meticulously sealed to prevent any leaks, and recycle every breath. These habitats will become self-sustaining ecosystems. Shipping oxygen from Earth is simply not practical, given the immense costs and logistical hurdles. Instead, we need closed-loop systems that generate and recycle air on the spot, mimicking Earth's natural processes, but in a contained environment. Water is just as precious, if not more so, than air. It's essential for life support, agriculture, and even producing rocket fuel. There are no rivers, lakes, or oceans on the moon's surface. It's a dry and desolate landscape. So our best bet is to mine ice from permanently shadowed lunar craters, where water ice has been preserved for billions of years. And we'll need to recycle every single drop for drinking, hygiene, and even growing food in hydroponic farms. Building materials are another significant hurdle. How do we construct habitats and infrastructure on the moon? Launching massive amounts of supplies from Earth is simply too expensive and impractical for large-scale construction. So, we'll turn to the moon itself and use lunar regolith, that ubiquitous moon dust that covers the surface. We can process this regolith and use it as a raw material to 3D print habitats, radiation shields, and other essential structures. The moon's surface is an incredibly harsh and unforgiving environment. It's bombarded by deadly radiation from the sun and cosmic rays. There are wild temperature swings, from scorching heat to extreme cold depending on whether you're in sunlight or shadow. And then, there's the ever-present sharp dust that can infiltrate and damage equipment, spacesuits, and even human lungs. Habitats will need thick shielding, possibly located underground, to provide adequate protection. This shielding will be crucial to protect inhabitants from harmful radiation and the extreme temperature fluctuations. Advanced filtration systems will be essential to keep out abrasive moon dust, while sophisticated temperature control systems will maintain a safe and comfortable environment inside. Every single resource must be reused and recycled to minimize waste and maximize efficiency, and every system from life support to power generation must work flawlessly, with built-in redundancies to prevent catastrophic failures. Surviving on the moon is the ultimate test of our best technology, our most innovative engineering, and our collective ingenuity. Each solution we develop, each challenge we overcome, brings us one step closer to making sustained lunar life not just a dream but a tangible possibility. The moon will demand our smartest ideas, our most creative solutions, and our unwavering commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible. To thrive on the moon, we'll need futuristic technology. Life support systems will recycle air and water, using electrolysis to split water into oxygen and hydrogen, and filters to capture and reuse carbon dioxide. Water reclamation will be so advanced that every drop, from sweat to breath, will be purified and reused, cleaner than most tap water on Earth. Robotic missions will mine ice from polar craters, paving the way for large-scale water harvesting. For construction, giant 3D printers will use moon dust to build landing pads, habitats, and radiation shields. These structures will protect astronauts from radiation and micrometeorites. Solar power will provide energy, especially at the lunar poles where sunlight is nearly constant. For the long lunar night, NASA is developing small nuclear reactors to keep the base running. Every system is designed for efficiency, safety, and sustainability. This is how we'll turn the moon into a livable world. This isn't just a dream. NASA's Artemis program is making it real. Artemis aims to land the first woman and person of color on the moon and build a sustainable presence. The powerful Space Launch System rocket and Orion spacecraft are already flying test missions around the moon. Soon, astronauts will return, targeting the moon's south pole to access water ice. The Gateway, a small lunar orbiting space station, will serve as a command center and science lab, built with international partners. Other countries and private companies like China's Chang'e program and SpaceX are joining the race. This new era of exploration is a global, collaborative effort. The next chapter of lunar exploration is unfolding right now. Building a home on the moon will change life on Earth too. Closed-loop life support and advanced water purification could bring clean water to remote or disaster-stricken areas. Techniques for growing food in lunar greenhouses like hydroponics and aeroponics are already improving urban farming on Earth. Next-generation solar panels and compact nuclear reactors developed for the moon could power homes and remote communities sustainably. Smart, autonomous robots built for lunar construction and mining will inspire safer, more efficient machines for Earth industries. Every challenge we solve for the moon helps us build a more sustainable, advanced future here at home. Space technology is already making our lives better. The moon is a testbed for Earth's future. By reaching for the moon, we lift up our own world. The first lunar base will be small, a humble beginning much like an Antarctic outpost. These early settlements will be designed for research and survival in a harsh environment. Astronauts will be diligently conducting experiments, pushing the boundaries of science, and rigorously testing new technologies crucial for long-term habitation. These initial steps are vital for understanding how to thrive on another world. Over time, the base will grow, expanding its footprint and capabilities. New modules will be added, and infrastructure will be developed to support a larger population. Engineers, scientists, and even commercial workers could join, bringing diverse skills and expertise to the lunar surface. This collaborative environment will foster innovation and accelerate the development of lunar resources. Mining resources and expanding habitats will become essential activities, allowing the lunar base to become more self-sufficient and sustainable. Extracting water ice and other valuable materials will be key to long-term survival. 3D printed structures using lunar regolith as raw material will offer a cost-effective and efficient way to build new habitats and infrastructure. Greenhouses providing fresh food and oxygen will be crucial for creating a closed-loop life support system, and observatories will turn the base into a bustling hub of science and industry, offering unparalleled opportunities for astronomical research and technological development. Decades from now, we might see a true lunar village, a thriving community with its own unique culture and identity. Maybe even a city, a bustling metropolis under the stars, a testament to human ingenuity and resilience. With people born and raised on the moon, forging a new generation of lunar citizens, they will look back at Earth with a unique perspective, understanding the fragility and importance of our home planet. Lunar life will be different, a new frontier for human experience. Low gravity, new challenges, and new opportunities will shape the lives of lunar residents, fostering innovation and adaptation. Tourism, offering breathtaking views of Earth and the cosmos. Industry, creating new jobs and driving economic growth both on the moon and on Earth. And science will flourish, unlocking the secrets of the universe and pushing the boundaries of human knowledge, making the moon a vibrant extension of human civilization, a stepping stone to the stars. The Artemis program is just the beginning of this incredible journey, a bold step towards establishing a permanent presence on the moon. Building a base on the moon will be one of humanity's greatest achievements, a testament to our ambition and our unwavering spirit of exploration. It will transform our understanding of the universe, providing new insights into the origins of our solar system and the potential for life beyond Earth, and secure our future as a multi-planet species, ensuring the long-term survival and prosperity of humanity. The moon is waiting, a new world of possibilities awaits, and we're getting ready to go, embarking on a journey that will redefine our place in the cosmos.